Now that we have our data source management agent created, it's time to create the export management agent. Just like before, click Create from the Actions menu. Only this time, in Management Agent 4, let's select the drop-down menu and scroll to the bottom to find the WLCD Management Agent. The WLCD Management Agent is installed when you run the MSI for ILM, the management agent for ILM, upon installation. This has already been done for us, so we're going to select that from the drop-down. Let's give it a name, and let's keep the name WLCDMA, and give it a description. Let's call it Management Agent for Provisioning Accounts to the domain. And we'll click Next. In the next wizard screen, we've edited this once before in the Seamless Provisioning lab, but we need to enter our tertiary domain administrator user and password. So I'm going to type in mine and my password and hit Next. In Configure Additional Parameters, we're going to leave the export log file set to what it is and click Next. In Configure Attributes, our anchor's already been set for us. We don't need to configure anything here, so I'll click Next. Our object types for the passport user have already been defined, so we don't need to configure anything here either. We'll click Next. And we're not filtering anything. I'm going to click Next on this screen. And nor do we need to set a join and projection rule here for provisioning, so I'm going to click Next again. So really what we need to do is set up our direct export attribute flow from the Metaverse person object type to the data source object type passport user. So to do this, we're going to select from the Metaverse the most important attribute, which is the mail attribute that contains our Windows Live ID. Again, our mapping type is direct, the flow direction is export, and the attribute in the passport user object is sign-in name. So we'll select sign-on name or sign-in name and click New. Then we'll do the same for user password to the temp password. Click New.